Good morning, everyone. Is everybody in the South ready for the snow and ice and all the other stuff we're supposed to be getting this weekend? I live in Tennessee. I have to drive to Nashville this morning to take my son to the dentist, so hopefully we'll get back for all that stuff. Starts coming down. If you're seeing this, tell me where you're from. Tell me how much snow they're predicting for your area. Ours started out to be maybe 12 inches of snow is what they're saying at the beginning of the week. Now they're saying maybe 2 to 6, so we'll see. Stay safe. Check on your loved ones and your neighbors. Let's keep each other safe.